Did you know defective tires cause over 11,000 car crashes and nearly 200 fatalities every single year in the U.S. alone? That's right. Choosing the wrong tire isn't just a minor mistake. It can be a life-threatening decision. Your tires are the only thing connecting your car to the road, and a bad set can mean the difference between stopping in time or skidding into disaster. In this video, we're exposing the worst car tires ever made, the ones you should never buy. From horrible wet traction to dangerous blowouts, these tires have earned their bad reputation. Let's get started. 1. The Achilles Radial 123S. Let's kick things off with the Achilles Radial 123S. Now, I know what you're thinking. Cheap tires sound tempting, but trust me, this one will cost you more in the long run. Sure, they look sleek, but these tires are infamous for their poor wet traction. Drivers have reported slipping and sliding in even light rain, and the tread pattern does almost nothing to help channel water away from the tire. And here's the kicker. These tires also tend to wear down faster than many others in the same price range. So, not only do they lack performance, but you'll find yourself replacing them sooner than you thought. If you live in a region with a lot of rain or wet conditions, the Achilles 123S will leave you more vulnerable than protected. Avoid this one if you value your safety. 2. Goodyear G159. The Goodyear G159 was designed primarily for RVs and light trucks, but its reputation took a major hit due to safety concerns. These tires were prone to failures, especially when used at high speeds or under heavy loads. The most significant issue was the propensity for the tire's tread to separate, which could result in a sudden blowout, leading to accidents. The problem was so widespread that it led to several lawsuits and a recall. What made it worse was that these tires were often used on vehicles that frequently traveled long distances, such as RVs. 3. Firestone 500. The Firestone 500 is infamous for being one of the worst tires in automotive history. Produced in the 1970s, the tire was plagued by serious safety issues, particularly with tread separation. In these tires, the rubber tread could peel away from the steel belts underneath, creating a dangerous situation for drivers. This defect led to a series of catastrophic accidents and fatalities. As a result, Firestone had to recall over 14 million tires. Despite improvements to the brand's reputation in recent years, the Firestone 500 remains a cautionary tale about the consequences of poor manufacturing standards. 4. The Westlake SA07. Westlake SA07 is another tire that might seem like a bargain at first glance, but trust me, you're not getting your money's worth. This tire is notorious for its harsh ride quality. Imagine driving on roads that aren't even that bad, but your car feels like it's going over bumps every few seconds. That's the Westlake SA07 for you. It's one of the roughest tires you can buy, with a ride so uncomfortable it'll make you question your life choices. If you want a smooth, peaceful ride, the Westlake SA07 will absolutely ruin that experience. So, there you have it. 5 of the worst tires you should avoid like the plague. No matter how tempting the price may look. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more automotive tips, and drop a comment telling us which tire you've had the worst experience with.